Welcome to Silver Sport Transmissions, and we are so excited to have you. Every kit is built with performance, reliability, and drivability in mind. To ensure a smooth installation and long-term performance, be sure to check out this video for some do's and don'ts.
Hey, congratulations on your new TREMEC purchase. One of the things you're going to find in the transmission box is this manila envelope. It's going to have your invoice, your sales order, and instructions. Don't throw the instructions away. Those are very important. The next step after you get your shipment, go drive your car. So go drive it before you take anything apart. Make note of any strange noises, vibrations, anything like that. That way you'll know if anything changes after you've done the swap. So it's going to be exciting. So a couple things on the transmission before you start. Make sure you test shift it. Make sure you can shift through all the gears. Make sure the input shaft turns. Sometimes in shipping, things can move internally and keep it from shifting. Easy fix. Also covered in your instructions. So lastly, before you put fluid in it, just please note this is not a fill plug. You want to look on the passenger side for your drain plug and fill plug. This even says right here, do not remove. If you take this out, the transmission has to come apart to fix it. So
in some kits, it'll come with a GM pilot bearing just like this. Now you want to be careful on the orientation on this. If you notice, there's going to be a seal towards one side of the pilot bearing. That is going to face towards the transmission. And with this particular one, you'll notice a ridge in the backside. That is going to face in towards the crankshaft. One additional note on this, you'll want to add a little bit of grease to this, but not too much because you don't want it to sling out on the clutch. The easiest thing to do is to dip your finger, probably your pinky, in a little bit of wheel bearing grease and just coat the inside there, and that'll ensure the longevity of the pilot bearing. One additional note, on filling the transmission, you can pre-fill the transmission. You'll just want to make sure that the orange shipping plug is installed so no fluid runs out of the tail. And you'll notice on the side of your transmission that there are two plugs and they are labeled. This one is going to be labeled fill and this one's going to be labeled drain. The TREMEC TKX will take just shy of 3 quarts and you'll fill it up until it runs out of the hole.
Make sure when you install your throttle bearing to the fork, put a little high temp lube on the fork where the bearing is going to ride. Make sure that the teardrop portion of the bearing faces in and that the spring clips are under the flange of the bearing, and put it on about halfway so it can pivot. If you push it in too far, it can bind up and break the snout on the bearing retainer. We're going to work with the mechanical speedometer connection hardware. Most of the kits include an adapter. If you have the adapter, you will disregard the O-ring in the hardware pack. Install the supplied gear using the clip to retain it. And before you install it, put a little transmission fluid on the O-rings to lubricate it, and use the bolt and washer to connect it to the transmission. If you don't have an adapter and have an actual cable, you'll need to remove the inner cable from the sheath. Use the supplied lube pack to lubricate the cable, then install the O-ring, install the gear and the clip using the same hardware to attach it to the transmission. When you're installing the transmission to the bell housing, make sure you have the transmission fully seated against the bell housing before you install the hardware. Do not use the hardware to draw the transmission into the bell housing. You can crack the case or break one of the ears off.
These are the two types of oils we supply in our kit. The first is a break-in oil. It lasts from 500 to 1,000 miles, and after you're done with the break-in oil, you switch to the red line oil, which you want to change about every 30,000 miles. And the capacity of a TKX is 2 quarts 20 ounces or till it starts to run out of the fill hole. Thank you from Silver Sport Transmissions.
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 Thank you from Silver Sport Transmissions.